Meet the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus, a tablet designed for artists, students, productivity lovers, and anyone who wants a premium digital experience without spending flagship money. Today, we'll take a detailed look at its display, stylus performance, design, productivity tools, and overall value. Let's get started. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, the NXTPAPER 11 feels surprisingly premium for its price. The tablet has a clean, minimalistic build with sharp edges, a matte finish, and ultra-thin bezels that immediately give it a modern look. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and perfect for long use, whether you're reading, drawing, or working. Display: 11.5-inch, 120Hz, 2.2K. Now let's talk about the real highlight, the display. You get an 11.5-inch, 2.2K resolution panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors appear rich, text looks sharp, and the overall experience feels fluid. But what makes it different from other tablets is TCL's NXTPAPER 4.0 technology. The screen reduces blue light, cuts glare, and gives you a soft paper-like texture. Whether you're scrolling, reading ebooks, or watching videos, the viewing experience stays easy on the eyes, even during long hours. Stylus and drawing experience. The tablet also comes with TCL's T-Pen stylus, offering 4096 level pressure sensitivity. This makes drawing, sketching, and handwriting feel natural and responsive. Artists will appreciate the accuracy during shading, while students and note-takers will enjoy the smooth writing feel. If you're into digital art or planning to replace your paper notebook, this is one of the best budget options available. Productivity and AI tools. For productivity, the NXTPAPER 11 Plus really shines. It includes voice memo tools, real-time bilingual subtitles, AI writing assistants, and a smart translator that instantly converts speech to text. Perfect for students, office work, meetings, or anyone creating digital content. The user interface feels smooth thanks to the RAM Fusion technology, giving you a combined memory boost. Performance and multitasking. Powered by an 8+8 GB RAM setup and a fast mid-range processor, the performance is stable and reliable. Whether you're multitasking with multiple apps, watching high-resolution videos, or casually gaming, the tablet handles everything with ease. It's not meant for heavy AAA gaming, but for daily use, streaming, editing light content, or tasks like Canva designs, it performs very well. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point. The 8,000 milliamp battery easily lasts a full day with mixed usage. Whether you're watching long videos, drawing for hours, or working on documents, you won't have to worry about charging frequently. And yes, it supports fast charging too. Should you buy it? So, should you buy the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus? Absolutely, if you're a student, artist, digital note-taker, or someone looking for a tablet with a great display and a stylus experience. Its smooth 120Hz screen, eye comfort technology, strong battery, and creativity-focused features make it a great choice in the mid-range category. For entertainment, studying, sketching, and everyday productivity, this tablet delivers far more than expected. And that wraps up our full review of the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.